What's going on, YouTube? What's going on, family? What's going on? Ooh, y'all have no idea what I had to go through. So, anyway, I'm going to go ahead and tell you what I have here. Let me go ahead and get the thumbnails in. Hold on, let's just turn around this way. Mm-hmm. 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 Ooh, I can't wait. I can't wait. So I got the 2 times spicy sauce, noodles, same yang, and I got 4 grilled cheese sandwich. Let me back this up just a little. There. I'm gonna let y'all get the first bite. I want to get that first bite of that grilled cheese sandwich. And literally, I put it in my little cooker too, and grilled these. Mm. It squeezes all the cheese out of that, out of the bread. But it's okay. And I'm drinking on juice today. And I'm gonna try to go back to bed once I get done. I think I may be joking. Well, I ain't joking. I'm gonna tell the landlord I got to go. I can't be here. Cannot do this. About 3.5 hours. With them two downstairs. Oh, kept me up all night. I literally had tears dropping out of my eyes because I was so tired. Ooh. 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 These things are so good, but they just so spicy. I ain't had no mozzarella cheese. I was gonna put some mozzarella cheese in here so I could stretch, but I'm gonna give me a Mac griddle so I can have fun with it instead of here. They literally cooked all my cheese out. And I had 3 slices of cheese in each one. But I just had a taste for grilled cheese. I didn't want to grill it in a skillet. And I've been having this grill thing. Ooh, for how long? It's scary. But I know it's my first time using it. And I think I had it for about, mmm, that's bad. I had it for about 3 years, y'all. About 3 years. No, no. Mm-mm. 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 I, I bought that when I was in trucking school. And when I came home, I ordered it. Never got a chance to use it until now. I miss trucking, y'all. I'm gonna let y'all know it. Anybody who's was a truck driver, yeah. But I'm gonna go to school to drive a tractor, so I could start tearing down houses. I want to be El Destructo. I feel like it's good money in that. Except I don't want that big giant thing to fall in a hole and there goes nothing. It's gonna take me along with it. No, I won't. I jump out before that happens. What happened to the tractor? Oh, it fell in a hole. Why you ain't go get it? Oh, I didn't know you could drive them things out of a hole. I don't know. But I know I can't be here. I cannot do it. Last night they had me almost in tears. I really don't like bread. Ooh. But I like grilled cheese sandwich. I don't like bread. You can't suck these up. Can hardly slurp this guy. I don't know why people don't like seaweed, because seaweed you can't you can't really excuse me, you can't really taste it like that. I wish they could have like a nice full pack of just seaweed. That'd be great. Mm, mm, mm. I'm gonna try to go live today. Whew. Your lips and your throat. That's the only part it attacks. Mm, mm, mm. Mm, mm, mm. Ooh-wee. You know what? I got a question. What do y'all like on y'all grilled cheese sandwich? Not like spinach leaves in between mines. So I ain't had no spinach leaves today. No, I use turkey pepperonis and put in there. Sometimes chicken. Mm, mm, mm. Mm, mm, mm. Let them do that tonight. I am not playing. I'm calling the police next time. I can't put up with that. I am so sleepy. I literally sat down and dozed off, and my noodles was cooking. And I usually don't do that. That's something I don't do is fall asleep when something is on the stove cooking. So it's lucky I set the timer. Because that timer would not wait. If the timer was on, look at that. I ruined this one. But I'm still gonna eat it. I'll tell you, all that cheese just squirted out of there. I'm like, what is going on? If that timer wasn't on, ain't no telling what will happen. I guess I would have smelt it if it was burning. All the seaweed is all right here. Wow. All that seaweed. I stirred it in a pot. You know what? I'm never going to understand why do they put sesame seeds in this. You can't taste them. I hate sesame seeds. You cannot taste them. I mean, what is the purpose for it? Well, give it a nutty taste? I don't know. So, if y'all know sesame seeds, what is they good for? Well, I might have to look that up. Oh, wow. That's all right. I ain't bring nothing to wipe my hands off. I guess I'm gonna have to keep a roll of paper towels in here. Every time I sit down and get ready to start that video, can't find nothing. No, this Wednesday's coming up. Is it Joe Biden? Woohoo! We're gonna get a real president, y'all. We're gonna get a real president. I'm so happy. And if y'all Donald Trump fan, this video is not for you. Because trust me, it's gonna be in it. If you got to that part, yeah. They should have impeached that man a long time ago. I don't know why they was trying to wait. But you know what I like about Donald Trump? And I do, and I actually get a kick out of. He's hilarious. The things he say, the things he do, hilarious. Now I have a strange feeling he's gonna be all on YouTube. Since he been kicked off Instagram and on Twitter, he gonna be messing with people on YouTube. You can trust and believe that. He's just ignorant. This is wheat bread. But it's good though. I don't care for white bread. It's nasty. All that time, I seen movies, Wonder Bread. And I want y'all to come for me on this. Because I just did not know. So I was in the store and I'm happening to look at all this bread. And I got down, I see some W something. I started looking, I'm like, ooh, pardon me. And I said, wow, that is actually really real. A loaf of bread called Wonder. And I'll be seeing that bread in different movies. They said that was a, wait, hold up, no, maybe that's the second bread that came out. But they said Wonder Bread been out for years. Well, and I said, that's the case then, where was I at?